In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Slack. Whether you're setting it up for your workplace or for personal projects, Slack is a great tool that enables smooth communication and collaboration. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Slack's sign-up page. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and search for Slack Sign Up. This will lead you directly to the page where you can begin your sign-up journey. Once you're there, you're going to see a prompt to enter an email address. Here, you can use either your work email or a personal one. It's entirely up to you and depends on how you foresee using Slack, whether it's solely for professional collaboration or perhaps for other groups like hobbyist communities or study groups. After entering your chosen email address, you'll find a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click that. This next step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures the security of your new account. Head over to your email inbox as Slack will send you a verification email. You might need to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ends up there. Look for an email from Slack, which should contain a 6-digit verification code. Once you've found it, copy that code and return to the Slack sign-up page. Paste the 6-digit code into the designated area on Slack's website. This action confirms your email and allows you to proceed with setting up your Slack account. Now, Slack will ask you whether you want to create a new workspace or join an existing one. If you're starting fresh for a new project or team, choose to create a new workspace. If you're joining a team that already has a workspace set up, simply follow their specific instructions to join their group. Once you've decided, it's time to invite others to your workspace. Slack makes this easy by allowing you to send out invitations directly from the platform. You simply need to enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite, and they'll get an invite link to join your workspace. This is a great time to bring your team on board and start collaborating. And there you have it. Your new Slack workspace is ready to go. You've successfully navigated the steps to set up an account, verify your email, and either create or join a workspace. Now you're all set to explore Slack's various features, like channels, direct messages, and more, which can help you build a productive and connected team environment.